In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can dash behind someone here in Jujutsu Shenanigans. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This is a very useful technique, obviously, because, dashing behind an opponent is one of the best ways to beat players who are holding a block. If you attack from the front, their block will stop, and one of the best ways to beat players who are holding block is attacking behind, because it'll bypass that defense. First things first, the standard dash method, if you're playing on PC, is just running towards your opponent by holding W and then hitting Q to dash. As you pass through the enemy, quickly flick your mouse 180 degrees so that your camera turns around behind them, and then immediately hit left click to attack. The key here is timing. You want to turn your camera right after the dash so your attack lands on their back before they can even react. If you're playing on mobile, the process is very similar, but it does require a little bit more coordination. Just hold your joystick forward towards the opponent, then tap the dash button. While your character is dashing, quickly swipe to the right side of your screen, flick your camera 180 degrees, and as soon as your camera is facing the back, tap the punch or M1 button. Another useful technique is the side dash wrap, which will allow you to move around your opponents who are tracking you. On PC, just hold A or D to move sideways, and then go ahead and press Q to dash, and while dashing, curve your mouse movement towards the enemy in a C-shape motion so that your character wraps around them. On mobile, just move your joystick left or right, tap the dash button, and then swipe your camera towards the opponent while dashing. This is going to curve your movement around their hitbox and place you right behind them. Once you get the timing down, you'll be good to go. This is going to be one of the most reliable ways to break defensive players and land free hits. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.